Hi, my name is Mohammad Saleem. I'm an attorney practicing immigration law. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a special type of lawsuit that you can file, one that we filed right here, Eastern District of New York. This is federal court. If you're tired of the government not making a decision on your case, whether it's been delays or just unresponsiveness, you can hire us or any attorney, who knows what they're doing to file a writ of mandamus against the government. Now, the government meaning specifically for your immigration case, USCIS, Department of State, and so forth. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what a writ of mandamus is, how it can help you, and 3 types of cases where we have filed writs of mandamuses. We filed many last year, got great results on all of them, exactly what our clients were looking for, and how we got those cases resolved in our client's favor. So first, a writ of mandamus. It's a fancy way of a special type of lawsuit that you filed in federal court where you're telling the government, hey government, you need to make a decision on my case. It's whether it's been unreasonable delays or just general unresponsiveness, the government has to make an action in terms of a decision. They just can't take a case and put it on the side and do nothing about it. So this is a tool that helps you get a response from the government. From my experience, and I've been doing immigration law for 12 years, this is one of the most powerful tools. More powerful than calling your congressman or writing letters or emails or phone calls. This is a tool that actually forces the government to get a lawyer and hold themselves accountable before a federal judge. Because when you file that lawsuit, they've got to give a response. They can't just say, yeah, we'll get back to you on the response as well. They have to give a response to your attorney's lawsuit. So I'll talk about 3 types of cases where we get great results, and we've gotten fantastic results on citizenship cases, visa cases where clients have had their family members get interviews overseas, and petitions like I-130 petitions or 485 petitions, adjustment of status green card petitions. So first, on citizenship cases, I have a client who just got his citizenship literally a month ago or so. He was tired. He had passed the interview. There was a name background variation. They ran a check on him. They said that he wanted some documents. He gave all the documents to them. A year and a half later, he's still waiting for the oath ceremony letter. You can't become a citizen until they swear you in. And then you can travel and get a passport and so forth. So what happened was that every time they would send him a letter saying your oath ceremony is scheduled, now he shows up, and then before he shows up, they're saying, okay, we have to reschedule, we have to look into your background. So he was tired. He's like, that's it, I can't deal with this anymore. We filed a lawsuit in here, Eastern District, and within literally, 2 months or so, the government said, okay, here's an oath ceremony. We kept the case open to make sure this time they don't pull anything and say that, oh, we're still going to look into your case. Good thing is he showed up, got his certificate, citizenship. He's a US citizen. After that, we discontinued the case. So on citizenship cases, we have a great record. If you apply for citizenship and they are delaying your case, I've seen some clients have their delays for 2.5 years. One client we did years ago, she had been delayed for 5 years, just waiting to get her US citizenship. She was getting so tired. All right, other type of cases that we've done that are really important are visa cases where one of our clients in Cairo, he's a US citizen and his son is over in Cairo. He had an interview for his case to get a visa to come to America because the father had sponsored the son. 6 months went by after the interview, nothing happened, no visa issuance or anything. The client had been calling Congress, he had been writing emails to the embassy, no response. We went to court, Eastern District again, filed a lawsuit. Within 65 days or so, they had said, okay, give us an updated medical. And then within 5 days of that, they had issued him a visa to come to America. His son is here, has a green card. Another type of case that we do regularly, and I've done, and I love doing these cases, are I-130 delays where the government just sitting on it for a long time. You've done everything. You called your congressman, you wrote letters, you called USCIS, nothing's working for you. In those situations, I had a client, he basically was tired because his wife was stuck in Yemen. He filed an I-130, petition for her to bring her here. 3.5 years had passed, no decision on it. We filed a lawsuit, writ of mandamus, said the government's got to make a decision. Within, I would say, actually 45 days of that, they scheduled him for an interview to show up in Federal Plaza, did the interview, approved his case, and then within like 2 weeks, he had his case sent to the visa center for processing so that they could bring her over here. So again, what do you do if you're just tired, the government hasn't made a decision on your immigration case? Look into this. This is a real special way to get the government to make a decision. Thank you so much.